So I think from the time children learn to identify letters, words, um, I, I would say around the age of 4, anything before 4 is little early. I think around the age of 4 years is when you can start figuring out if your child has any issue with words, because that is by that time we assume they have already entered the education system, right? They've all started going to preschool, and these are, of course, children who have already entered the system. If a child has never gone to school by the age of 4 years and can't identify alphabets, we will not call that child dyslexic. We will only call a child, having, some sort of issue with learning is when they have already been into that system. They Children of their age or their peers can identify certain letters or words, and they are not able to do that. That's, I think, the first and the most easiest way. Apart from that, usually dyslexia is also associated with things like understanding left from right, putting on their shoes, using cutlery. Can they handle a scissor? Can they cut in a straight line? Do they understand instructions, or can they repeat instructions? Because all of this is also verbal understanding, right? When you ask a child to get you a glass of water, is a child able to understand that, I have to get that glass of water right now to my mother or father? So even like when you're conversing with a child, and that can happen even before the age of 4, when you are sort of assessing whether the child is able to understand what you're saying, or when you're reading out a story, is a child able to follow and is able to tell you that story back? Not every detail, but at least like the idea behind the story. So those are some of the things that parents can identify by the age of 4 years.